Hello everybody, just a sec. Welcome back and let's continue with this better Auth thing. Yesterday we got stuck with an error actually. And guess what, I was supposed to wake up early but because of some reasons I couldn't wake up. Okay, so never mind, I'll try to get this particular thing in my habit. For now, let's simply get started from here on and we will be trying to fix the bug that we had earlier, and then this is how we'll simply be going ahead. But before even that, let me make sure that I'm live and all and everything's working fine, and then I will be turning the VS Code on. I will be turning it up. Just a sec. The next thing is that I can click on the content, I can click on the live, and I should be able to see whether I'm live and all. I will be turning the chats off. That's gonna be the thing of the most of the time. If you actually want to get in touch, you can just join the WhatsApp group and text me there. But as for now, I will be turning it off, mainly because I should be able to focus on the problem, and that is the bug that I need to give attention to. Let me make sure I'm live. Yeah, I am live and I'm audible too, that's fine. Apart from this particular thing, there's one more thing remaining, that is this one. So let's do this thing. By the way, this is the 85th day. I hardly mention the days nowadays. That's crazy, but okay. But yeah, this is the 85th day. Right now, let's simply continue with this. And the very first thing that we will be doing here, that will be running this project. The main problem that we were facing yesterday, that was not able to change the email. And why was that happening? I have no idea. So let's simply figure it out. Almost we were doing the right things as we were asked in the documentation. Still we were facing the issue, so that's what we have to fix right now. Let's what is the issue? Why is this coming? This blur my shell is behaving crazily. Just a sec, give me a moment. If I actually panel dynamic panel blur overview dash application, there is no blacklist, enable all by default, blur on overview, opacity and sigma intensity of blur color, pipeline default, sigma brightness. Okay, well, this is not exactly macOS, so it is definitely gonna have some problems with that, so that is okay. Overall things are fine, but if I actually turn it off, then what will happen? Interesting question. So if I actually turn this off, in that case, this is how it's gonna be looking like. Not the best. Okay, blur my shell simply blurs it, right? So even if I go here, things are gonna be looking, things are okay here, but mainly in this particular case, things are gonna be looking like this if blur my shell is off, right? And not the best way, and that is why I have to blur the screen. Let's open this. It will be the case almost everywhere, and this is why I need to blur it, as simple as that. Alright, if I turn it on right now, it will simply make it blurred. Okay, never mind, let's continue. Dark mode needs to be on, and right now let's simply focus on the main issue. It has been compiled and I have my this as well. Let's simply click on sign in. First of all, I will be signing in. It could be because that was the Gmail authenticated by Google, and that is why I'm not able to do that. Could be anything. This was the Gmail, and if I go to my profile, and right now if I try to change it to coding the code 999, coding the code 999, just like this, if I send a request to change it, a request will be sent, that is for sure. Okay, so a request has been sent, and using API auth change email and all. After that I can go to that particular Gmail. There was one audiobook, just in here, let me just zoom out a bit, click on this Gmail. I've got this email approved, and I can just simply click on this to approve. Okay, and it seems like it's been approved, but if I actually check this, the Gmail is still the same. This simply means that if that Gmail is from the Google side or any provider side, you will not be able to change the email. But if you have created the account on your own, you should be able to do that. So if I actually sign out, and after signing out, I create an account with this Gmail. So kind of how many Gmails do I actually have right now? Just a sec. These are the ones right now I have working. So let's use my working right now and coding the code. This is how I will be going ahead. So coding the code at the gmail.com, and password is gonna be PAWSWORD@1234. This should be enough. Remember me. Let's check the password. Login in. Okay, sorry. The thing is that I have to sign up first of all. Name can be anything. Email can be this. Password can be this. Password can be this. Sign. Create the account. Once the account is actually created, then I can actually verify this account. So let's click on this. Send a verification email. Email has been sent successfully. Let's come back here. I will be checking this time, coding the code 999, and in here I've got the verification email. I can click on this particular email and I'm verified. I can go to my dashboard, and that is it. Alrighty, so this thing is done. I'm verified right now. The next thing is that I can actually go to my profile, and over here, as there is no image, so I can even change the image. The image is gonna be this one. I should be able to select. So image has been selected, Vipin Singh Patel. That is fine. Let's update it. So email has been updated, that's fine. Apart from this particular thing, I wanna change this. So I wanna change this to what? I wanna change this to let's get one more Gmail over here. I hope it does exist. Yeah, it does. And I hope I remember the password. Okay, it does exist, but what about the password? Interesting. And wrong. I'll have to click on forgot password, and then I'll have to go to the mobile to check that. Okay, just a sec. What am I supposed to enter over here? That's insane. What could the password be? Or maybe this is the wrong email. I'm trying to enter 626. Confirm you are not a robot. Let's try to enter the same password. Turns out it's not gonna work today. remembered this. Let's click on forgot password. You can't give a Google doesn't have that. And how about this 999? I must have used 999 as well. I can click on forgot password, enter the last password. Let's see. Get verification at somebody is calling me. Alrighty, just give me a sec.